Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm out on the river. It's fall, as you can see behind me, and we're gonna try going ahead and catch as many smallmouth bass as we can, or just get on a good bite. Not really sure. We're just gonna try to catch smallmouth today. Not really sure what it's gonna be like yet. Water temp's 55 degrees, so it dropped like, I believe, 5 degrees since last time I've been out here, but it should be good. It's fall, it's mid-October ish, and I don't know, weather, it's really warm today. I shouldn't have worn pants, and we'll see. A lot of sunlight penetration in the water. I'm not sure what the bite's gonna be like. It's cool water temps, so you think it'd be on fire, but we'll see, right? We'll see. What I'm gonna start off using here is just a swim bait, 2 3/4 inch swim bait, 1/8 ounce jig head, a Headbanger Lures banger craw, or banger bug, my bad. Just a little craw dragging along the bottom, maybe hopping it a little bit, and then a Sexy Shad colored square bill. Then I also might throw a white chatterbait. So I think that's really all I'm gonna need today, and I might use a deeper crank on some deeper edges here and some into this deeper water. But so 4 or 5 different baits. I think that's all I'm gonna need today. I'm really confident in it. I might change it up. I mean, you never know, but we'll see. And if you are seeing this video, that does mean that I did catch fish, so stick around, see how I caught them, see kind of what areas I caught them in, kind of what they're relating to, and see if you learn anything. So, all right. Got a lot of energy. Oh, it's a little bigger than I thought. It's a nice fish. It is a nice one, that's for sure. Hey, a lot of energy here. Come on, right up to me. Nice fish. Beautiful colors. Good length. Some nice girth to it. Look at that. Just ate that bait. Smacked it. That's all you need. Little Strike King Rage Swimmer. Guy's got a little bit of a beat up mouth. Quick getting caught. There we go. That's what I feel like has been biting. I've been getting a lot of little hits, and it's either I'm hitting rock or I'm hitting little smallies like this guy. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. Definitely don't want to hit him on the gunnel. Let me put him back. And it is pretty shallow here. And these leaves here in the water are not making it easy doing this finesse presentation here. There are some minnows though, they're like probably as big as my thumbnail. The width of it, it's puny. If I don't get one off this stretch here, I'll just throw the square bill and see. We got the mini mags too we can throw. What's that? That's the thing, sometimes these fish are on rock. They're either on it or they're not. And you might just be able to pick a few off, and I might have done that already and you're wasting my time. Let's hope not, because there's plenty of light left. I have not fished this yet, so I'd like to not be snagging a freaking stick though. Oh yeah. Felt a little heavier than that. I'll take it. Huh, it's the second one, right on the roof of the mouth. Outside. Kind of weird. Nice fish. Okay, get off now. GoPro. We're recording it? Yes, we're recording it. Oh yeah. putting up a nice fight. Yeah, it's diving right down, right into that rock. There isn't any. That one's got a lot of color to it. Inhaled that one though. Look at that. Beautiful colors. Small yet, but it's another fish. That's number 4. So we'll just keep fishing this bank here, right in the shade. See how these bites are picking up right in the shade? That's where the last bites were, in the other shade. So it's got to mean something. 54 degrees. Oh yeah. That one hit right on the drop. Nice fish. Put up a fun fight. Choked it too. Nice. It's number 5 or 6. For sure 5. Let's go 5. Good fish. And that's that Strike King Rage Swimmer. This thing's caught, this bait alone, it's probably caught over 10 fish. And it's still good. It's a little beat up, so it's not perfect straight, but catches them. Oh my God. I was on my phone. The bait was on the bottom, I thought, way out there. And it got picked up. I felt the tap and pulled back. It's probably a small fish, but oh, I can spit it out there. Yet I don't get that. All right, this hook is still sharp enough. Just gotta get better hook sets. I can go back on my phone. Woo! Something big. That was a massive strike. And it didn't even hit it. Like, didn't pull the bait off, nothing. That one was like a rip the rod out of your hand type thing. There's one. I think it's a kind of a flat there too, but maybe not. Don't jump, don't jump. All right. I don't know, is that 6 now? It's not terrible. 6 in 40 minutes. I guess I'd rather more than that. But I think I'm just gonna continue fishing this rock wall here. It's probably why I'm not catching many, but I'm gonna continue fishing it, see what's up with it, and then I'll get to some other good stuff. Here. Ooh. There's a real sharp drop off too. I think there'd be a lot like this. Come on. That felt good initially. It's taking a little bit. Come on. Spit it out. I feel like that's sharp enough. She gone. Time for a new bait. Should I tie a new jig on? Sharper one, potentially. I feel like, I don't know. I feel like it's fine. We'll just stick with it. I think it's fine. All right, redemption time here. Like I said. Ooh. Hey, if you don't know, when they jump like that, you got to reel in that slack quick, because that's when they're gonna throw the hook. Also, if you don't, I mean, it's dangerous when they jump already, so to get them not to jump when they see the line coming up and it's You can kind of tell that the fish is coming up in the water column. Lower your rod tip to the water and reel in slower, and they usually won't jump then. I'll show you my next fish. I think that's 7 or 8. So nice guy. Where's your big friends? That first one, that was a good one. All I'm doing here, there's just a rock shelf and it's just dropping it right next to the side of it and swimming it a foot or 2 off. I think that's either a fish hitting it, small ones, or that's some rock there they don't know about, but right there, like that. And right, if you think it's a rock like that, do not pull hard, because that's, you'll be snagged and you won't get it back. All right, come on. There's gotta be one here. It'll bite. Not when you do that. You can see here I'm lowering the rod tip right now. Keeping your rod tip lower in the water keeps that bait down, versus I'm reeling up here. Now it's gonna raise that bait. It does a bite. If I lower it, the bait's gonna go down more, and it's just gonna go further down in the water column, easier to reel in and keep it, I guess, lower to the bottom. Dang it. Shouldn't have missed that fish. Thought so. Now I'm gonna keep it lower, right? And reel it in a little slower. Well, that time he jumped anyways. But that's kind of what you want to do, and they normally won't jump. Should let more line out so I could have grabbed that. Oh, he nailed that. Jeez. Gonna need pliers for that almost. Look at that. That's inhaling it. That's when you know you got the right presentation down. Yeah. Oh boy, we got a jet skier. Oh yeah. Just dragging that banger bug along the bottom. Nice fish. Got some good color to it. Just going back. That's it though, right there. Just 1/4 ounce weight. Green pumpkin banger bug and a flipping hook. Fluorocarbon leader, obviously. Oh, that was a bite. Let's see. Hell yeah. Just dragging it along right next to the boat because I didn't fish there. And voila. There's a good one. Yeah, guys, I gotta tell you, I lost count. I think this is 12, maybe 13. I really don't know for sure. Gotta get this bait out though. Come on. There's one. Right on the drop. People learn how to drive out here on the river though. Either stay on plane or don't come out. Fast people. Okay, I think that fish released itself. It's gone. Yes, it did. Had to have. There's one. Whoa. Man, that one hit hard. Yeah, well, let's hope this one's good. Let's hope this one is good. Oh yeah. Oh. All right. Don't break me off. Yeah, this thing needs a tank. Swear 'em out. It's a tank for today, that's for sure. It's a good sized fish when I saw it jump. We'll see. See here in a sec. And this thing just doesn't want to give up. Come on. Just come up here just once. There we go. That is a good fish. Yeah, just inhaled that bait there. Smacked it. Good fish, guys. Real long fish too. Skinny. Yeah, it's a 17-inch fish. Beauty. There she goes. No! It wrapped me up on a rock. Son of a... That was a nice fish. Right under that log. Son of a gun. Oh, that was a delayed hook set. But it was still good. Definitely ate. Good small one. Nice fish. Real dark color. Beautiful fish. Another one on the banger bug. Alright. Thank you. Light bites. Okay. Come on. I don't know how, but the knot slipped or broke on my rod, and I found the bait, and I see the tungsten. Wait, come on. How often does that happen when you get it back? Whew. Not often. That was luck. Look at that, knot just frayed. So you gotta check your knots when you're fishing a rock. So just frays the hell out of them. All right, that was not the best day of fishing. I mean, there was times I was battery swapping and stuff, but I think it was like 20-25 fish. Might be closer to 20 though, but not the best day. Caught a few decent fish, but a lot of them were small. So guys, thanks for watching, and see you guys on the next one.